Have you ever noticed that some brick walls last for decades while others start cracking within few years? This reason is not always the bad quality of bricks. It is the bonding pattern used in the walls. Brick bonds are not just for looks, they decide the strength, stability and the load distribution of a wall. Hello friends, welcome back to channel Civil Engineering Academy. In this video, I will explain the different types of bonds in brick masonry, their patterns, uses and where each bond should be used. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand that why bonds are the important, how they improve wall strength and which bond is the best for which type of a construction. So let's start with the first type of a bond. The very first bond is stretcher bond. In this bond, all bricks are laid with their longer face visible. Longer face in the brick is called as a stretcher and the shorter side is called as a header. So in the stretcher bond, longer face is visible. Then each brick overlaps the one below by half of its length. And this is the most commonly used bond in the modern construction. It is easy to construct and economical and provides moderate strength. It is mainly used in the partition walls, cavity walls and the non-load bearing walls. Now the next type of a bond is a stack bond. In the stack bond, bricks are placed exactly one above the other, in which the vertical joints are continuous and there is no overlapping of bricks. And because of that, this bond is very weak in structure. So sometimes steel reinforcement is provided in it, and this type of a bond is mostly used in the decorative walls, facades and the interior design features. In the image, we can clearly see that the bricks are laid one above other like they are stacked, and there is no overlapping in between the two bricks. So this type of a bond is generally used for the decorative purpose only. Now the next type of a bond is an English bond, in which the courser alternate between the header course and the stretcher course. Header course means shorter face of brick and the stretcher course means the longer face of a brick. So in this bond, the courses alternate between the header course and the stretcher course. It is one of the strongest brick bond, provided excellent load distribution. In this bond, the vertical joints do not align, and it is commonly used in the load bearing walls, foundation and the thick walls. This type of a bond is widely used in the India and the UK. So this is all about the English bond. Now we'll move towards the next type of a bond, that is a Flemish bond. In this type of a bond, each course consists of alternate headers and the stretchers. Then in this type of a bond, header is placed at the center of the stretcher below. And this bond is visually attractive but weaker than the English bond. This type of a bond requires a more skilled labor to construct it. It is mostly used in the residential buildings and the decorative brickwork. Here in the image we can clearly see what is the Flemish bond means. So this is all about the Flemish bond. Now we'll move towards the next type of a bond, that is monk bond. In this bond, each course contains two stretchers followed by one header. The pattern repeats throughout the wall and it gives the decorative appearance. It is stronger than the Flemish bond but weaker than the English bond. It is used where the both strength and appearance are needed. This image clearly shows what is a monk bond means. So this is all about the monk bond. Now we'll move towards the next type of a bond, that is a header bond. In the header bond, all bricks are laid as a header and the shorter face of the brick is visible, because the shorter face is called as a headers and the longer face is called as a stretcher. So in this, all the bricks are laid as a headers and the shorter face is visible. Wall thickness become equal to the brick length and it is very strong in the bond. It requires more bricks and used for the thick walls, curved walls, old masonry structure and like that. that this image clearly shows what the header bond means. So friends, here we can say brick bonds are not just for the appearance, they play a major role in the strength and the stability of a wall. Each bond has a specific purpose. Some provides more strength while other focus on the design. Choosing the right bond ensures the proper load transfer, reduces cracks and increases the life of the structure. Therefore, understanding brick bonds is essential for the safe and the durable construction. So thank you so much for watching video till the end. If you found the content of video useful, then please like it, share and the subscribe channel.